know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you.
Alright, y'all. I just realized that the clip that was the introduction to this video got deleted. So this is the introduction for part 2 of days 3 and 4. I just wanted to come on, let y'all know, get y'all the rundown. The next clip y'all see where we're eating breakfast, and then from there it's just a normal vlog of us spending our 3rd and 4th day in Dubai, and that was about it. So yeah, see y'all at the end of this video. Don't do that no more. Don't do that no more.
Stop it. Get some help.
You're done.
What's that mean?
He's just out here. Your dad daddy.
Alright, y'all, we're here. We're at the Miracle Garden. We're sitting outside. I'm guessing we're gonna get our tickets or whatever. But I'm looking in right. It looks so pretty. So I'll come back to y'all when we're actually in there. Okay, y'all, we're in here. We just stopped to get some freshies. It's hot. Like, it's very, very, very hot. But it's very cute in here. It's like Smurfs and stuff everywhere. It's real cute. So yeah, I'll get back to y'all.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say it.
Alright, y'all, we in this little supermarket thingy. We stopped in here for a minute. Yeah. My edge just sweat out. My middle one did. I'm looking mad, but it's okay. But whatchamacallit, my feet look here, but I'm gonna thug it out. I'm gonna thug it out. Tongue from that slushie. Where'd she go? Skipping box?
Skipping box.
Yeah.
Spicy, normal.
Both spicy. For the dips, what I see? Garlic.
Bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high.
I'm gonna try some
It's a mukbang now.
KFC.
ASMR. It's ASMR time. Is it spicy? Oop.
That's why I don't put no sauce in it. It looks like Popeye.
Lights down right now, put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark room,
Why did they just leave it though?
Who used it? The workers or something like that?
I don't know. It really done tore through the plastic.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little.
Alright, y'all. I took them 2 buns out of my head because it started to itch and I was tired of it. So it's just in 1 bun right now. So I look a little bald, but it's okay. Okay, we're gonna dock the boat. Walking down the thing, get them a thing like the drinker. I don't really know what it's called, but yeah. It feels good out here. The sun not beaming on them. So that's good. I know I told y'all my feet hurt. We and this is a long little walk to the boat. My feet is screaming for help. Just right here. So it's okay.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just lovely.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
It was nothing but desert. They got rich oil out here, and they just built all of these, whatever you can imagine. You want to Dubai?
Yeah, I would.
You don't think I can make it happen?
I know you can.
I make anything happen. Huh? Is it really though? I've been spending out here the
I'm
whole
saying
time.
like, not like.
It's luxurious.
Yes, I'm saying that. Not like.
The dollar.
It's less, but the way that the city itself is like a luxury city.
It's luxurious.
Yeah, that's
But
what
I
I'm
feel
saying.
like I'm spending less money.
You are probably. Is it Stacy? Is it
This for the first time this morning.
Keisha?
What you need. Already on 10, already come in. I'm feeling go out, this feeling don't drought, this party won't end.
Stop running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck. Running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than cash today. Ooh, I just take it there.
Say wrap on day 3. See what we're doing, if we do anything tomorrow. Because we don't leave early or anything. But yeah, tomorrow is the day we leave, so bye bye Dubai.
Day by day, ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken hearts. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got is in pages. Sorry, I'm fake. Hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it.
Guys, we're gonna try this new chocolate that's in Dubai. It just came out today.
Okay guys, we're gonna try the Dubai chocolate. It just tastes like chocolate. I don't taste the pistachio for real. No,
Weird, but I'm eating it.
it was cool. I give it like a 7. Did you like it? It's okay.
All I got is these broken hearts. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. All that I got is in pages. Sorry, I'm fake.
Alright y'all, we are in our final
Destination.
hour or so of Dubai. It's been a fun rodeo. I enjoyed it a lot. Come here, Christian. What do you rate your Dubai trip on a scale from 1 to 10?
A 9.5.
What's the 0.5?
It's not. It was like exciting.
But why isn't it a 10? Why is it a 9.5?
Because in this in this hotel, we didn't really do nothing.
We weren't supposed to do anything. So that's the only reason it's to 9.5 because of this hotel.
Yeah, but at the other.
So, if we never came here, what would it be?
It would be cool. We got to see all the views.
No, I'm saying like if we didn't come here, what would your new rating be from a 1 to 10 if we never came here?
It would be a 10.
Oh, okay. Well, my rating, 1,000 out of 10. It was. I love Dubai. I love Dubai. I love Dubai. I just want to come on here, cause I guess this is the outro of the video. After this, we're gonna be on a long 14-hour flight. The 14 hours goes to New York, and then we have another like 2.5-hour flight to Chicago. So that's it. I actually had a very fun time vlogging this whole thing. So I guess I'll keep up with that. The next vlog can honestly be, I'll vlog next week. I'll vlog my birthday maintenance and my birthday week and all that stuff. So yeah, y'all. Like the beginning of the last vlog, it was a little dry, but it got cool towards the end or whatever. This one, days 3 and 4 hit for real. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.